Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make poached eggs in a frying pan. Bring a shallow pan with about 2 inches of water to a gentle simmer, add a teaspoon of vinegar, and reduce heat so the water barely moves. Crack each egg into a small cup and slide it in close to the surface, then cook until the whites are set but yolks remain soft for about 3 to 4 minutes. To get a tidy poached egg, stir the simmering water to form a gentle whirlpool before adding the egg, which helps the white wrap around the yolk. Fresh eggs hold shape better, so prioritize them when possible. Slide eggs in from a cup close to the surface to avoid splashing, and give each egg enough room in the pan so they don't merge while cooking. Serve poached eggs immediately for the best texture and warmth. Try them on avocado toast with flaky salt, on a salad to add a silky yolk, or atop roasted vegetables for extra richness. Warm your plate briefly so the egg stays hot longer, and gently blot any excess water with a paper towel before plating to keep your presentation clean and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.